Tap to color this number of blocks. 235. Drag the boxes to fill the equation. Twelve. Tap the lily pad. 5 lily pads ahead. 5. Awesome. 10. You're a math wizard. 50. You're a math star.
Drag the eggs to create an array with
2
rows
and 3
columns.
You're a math star.
Tap the squares to complete the addition sentence. Add
3
rows.
You're a math wizard. You're a math star. 5 times 9 equals 40. Awesome. 5. You're a math star. Good job. Good job. Good job. You're a math wizard. You're a math star. Awesome. Good job. Good job. Awesome. Awesome. Good job. Place the shapes in the correct group. 4-sided and right angles. 4-sided, right angles. You're a math wizard. Good job. Good job. Awesome.